Question number 3. Which of the following statements is true? Okay, first one, we have limit as x approaches 1 from left hand side is equal to limit as x approaches 1 from right hand side. Okay, let's see if this is true. So as x approaches 1 from left hand side, it approaches positive 3, right? From right hand side, it also approaches positive 3. So first one is true. Okay, second one, we have limit as x approaches 1 is equal to f of 1. Well, as x approaches 1, it approaches 3. From right hand side, it also approaches 3. So limit value is 3, right? So limit value is 3. What's f of 1? When x is 1, the value is actually right here, which is equal to 1, right? So f of 1 is equal to 1. So they're not equal to each other. So the second part is false. Okay, third part. This should be third. Okay. Limit as x approaches negative 2. So let's find the limit value as x approaches negative 2. As x approaches negative 2 from left hand side, it approaches 1. From right hand side, it also approaches 1, right? So this value right here is 1. F of 1, that's 1, right? So they are equal to each other. So this is true. So which of the following statement is true? The 1 and 3, right? The answer has to be D.